H.D. Deve Gowda was born on May 18, 1933 in the village of Haradanahalli in the Hassan district of Karnataka, India. He came from a modest background, with his family being agriculturists. His early education was in Kannada medium schools in his village and nearby towns. After completing his primary and secondary education, he pursued higher studies in Bangalore. His early life in a rural setting and his involvement in farming played a significant role in shaping his political outlook and leadership style. Before entering mainstream politics, H.D. Deve Gowda had a career rooted in local leadership and agriculture. Deve Gowda initially worked in agriculture, managing his family's farm in Haradanahalli. His involvement in local issues and his focus on rural development began during this period. He first entered politics through local governance. In 1955, he was elected as a member of the Haradanahalli Village Panchayat, showcasing his early interest in public service. In the 1960s and 1970s, he became involved with the Janata Party, which was formed as an opposition to the INC. His association with the party marked his transition to a broader political role. Over the years, Deve Gowda held various positions, including serving as a minister in the Karnataka government. His effective work at the state level laid the foundation for his later prominence on the national stage. These experiences in local governance, coupled with his focus on agriculture and rural issues, played a crucial role in shaping his political career and leadership style. Deve Gowda's rise to the prime ministership was the result of a complex coalition arrangement. He was chosen as the prime minister by the United Front, a coalition of several political parties, after the 1996 general elections led to a hung parliament. He served as the Prime Minister of India from June 1996 to April 1997. His administration focused on rural development, agriculture, and infrastructure. Deve Gowda, having a background in agriculture, aimed to improve conditions for farmers and enhance rural development. His government faced significant political instability due to the fragile nature of the coalition. It was supported by the Congress party but lacked a strong majority in the Lok Sabha. This instability was a major factor in his government's short tenure. The government struggled with internal disagreements and external pressures. In April 1997, Deve Gowda resigned after the Congress party withdrew support, leading to the formation of a new government under I.K. Gujral. Despite his brief term, Deve Gowda's tenure is remembered for its role in navigating coalition politics in India.